Welcome to how to reverse into a bay to the left. Tips to help you pass the driving test. Start by driving down the centre of the car park so we have an equal distance on either side of the bays. As we pull up and stop, we look out the left hand window and we line the white line up with the front of the grab handle. Now those that are tall or short might have to move this forward or back a little bit, but this will normally work for an average sized person. This is the view we get from outside the car. That's the line that we've just lined up, and this is the bay that we are now going to reverse into. So when we're lined up, we can now select reverse, have a good look round and start steering as hard as we can to the left. This is full lock. We're looking in the left hand mirror here and we can see the white line coming in to the side of the car. Keep looking round, and as we get in we can now see on the right hand mirror the white line coming in to the right hand side. What we're looking for now is to see all of the white line in the right hand mirror, and now we can take the steering off. And then we just got to keep looking round as we reverse back to the end of the car parking space. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell, and we'll let you know when new videos arrive.